Oh, niggas on the spot.
Oh, I want to play the
Oh,
69 overall.
we playing some fiends. Hold on. Why they got the same name?
Refuse. Hey, YouTubers. Oh,
Yo, we
man.
gotta go to game chat.
Nah, we don't
Wait,
need. Oh, they trash. Oh my.
nigga is a sharpshooter slasher. What do you
Refuse
want to
King,
do? Shoot
YouTube,
it? You want to
refuse
shoot or
Pete.
dunk? You can't have both.
Oh my God. They gonna be the balance build from 2K16. Trash.
Chill, bro. My bounce bill used to dunk on everybody.
Bro, balance builds was horrible.
No, it was really balanced, bro. I really
No,
was
like they
banging on these.
it was bad. You couldn't shoot. There was no consistency in shooting.
Cause you're balanced. Oh. Catch and shoot.
My rebounder, he's nice. He just don't play defense. Didn't carry. Oh man.
Did them niggas dirty.
How they both jump like away from you? Well, not away from you, but like you was in between them when they jumped. Oh, snap.
Get in there.
Dang, that was a quick 11 points. You need to set a screen or something, cause I ain't getting nothing for the game.
My guy put his hands behind his back.
Yo, you really just catching and shooting the ball.
Niggas get lit up. Greed.
Oh my god.
Yo, they got lit up.
Hey, yo.
Yo, I
God,
missed
that was
one